Hi there. So this is a guided research project that you're completing. It is being marked. So work through this carefully, follow all the instructions. The very first thing you want to do is click on View Assignment so that you can view all the details of this assignment. When you click on that, this window should appear where you can read through the instructions, as well as there's a rubric at the bottom for you to make sure that you know what you're being marked on. If you want to expand any of that criteria, click on the arrow and you'll be able to read all the levels and how many points you can get for each. The learning goals for this research project is first and foremost to learn about a specific organ system of your choice, but also to learn about Google Slides and different features of it. That's why this is a guided presentation. I will guide you through the different features and help you make a presentable Google Slides presentation. This is important for us to learn because in the coming weeks, we're going to be working extensively with Google Slides, whether to learn lessons or to present your information. Once you're ready, you'll click on this document here, which says your name. This should say your name, and that is the only document which you'll be working on to complete this. This document is auto-generated for each student, and I can access each student's copy at any time so that I can help you with it if you're stuck at any point. When you click on that, it should open up a window with Google Slides. You should go ahead and cross out anything additional that's just taking up space. For example, this themes bar there and the extra tools bar there, so that you have maximum working space. You can even hide the title of this by clicking on this arrow. The first slide is the instructional video that you're watching right now. Just in case you do not understand something, you need to go back to it. It's right there for you. The second slide is specific instructions for this assignment for you to get started. The very first thing you want to do is click on this zoom button here and zoom out to 50% or as far as possible so that the slide is something like this in the middle and you can read around the margins, because I've included instructions around the margins for you. Here's an example. See how you have these sticky notes on the sides which tell you or show you what to do. So make sure that you zoom out before continuing and zoom out for every slide so that you can read everything, because some slides have instructions at the bottom as well. You will start this presentation by choosing an organ system of your choice: circulatory, digestive, nervous, excretory, or respiratory. Once you have made your decision, you're going to click on slide number 3 to get started. The boxes there are editable. You can simply click on the box to add text based on the instructions that are on the margins. Each slide has a unique task where you're learning a specific skill in Google Slides, as well as including information about the organ systems. So make sure to read any instructions carefully. If you do not know how to do something, there are YouTube videos linked. You click on the link once and then click on the link that appears again to watch that instructional video. You are researching and completing specific tasks and answering specific questions, so make sure that you're collecting your sources as well. There is a references slide at the bottom. Make sure that any work that you're using is referenced properly here by including links to that work. That being said, any written information you're including must be in your own words. Make sure you paraphrase, make sure you understand the information and write it in your own words. This assignment will be collecting originality reports, which will show you whether you've plagiarized or copied something very close to something on the internet so that it falls in the category of plagiarism. You do not need to do this assignment in one sitting. Google Slides automatically saves your work, so you do not need to click on save or anything. When you're done working on it, you can simply close this tab and then open it again whenever you need to by going back to Google Classroom or going to your own Google Drive. Once you're completely done with this assignment, then you'll go to Google Classroom, go to Organ Systems Guided Research Presentation. Once more, click on that document just to confirm that it has everything that you need. To confirm that it is the updated version, you're happy with your work. Once you're happy with your work, you're going to close that window and hand in. You do not need to save anything. The document is already attached here with your name. All you need to do is simply hand in and you're done.